Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Office Access 2010 course. In today's video we will be learning about how to create tables and apply rules to them. So, the first thing you want to do is go to the Create tab at the top and select Table Design. This will create a new table. So, the first thing you want to do is put in the field names that you would like. So, as I'm going to be working off the Unit 7 Edexcel exam, I'm going to put in the students table. This is going to be student ID, first name, second name, and then the date of birth. Now, the data type for each of these, the student ID is going to be automatically generated, and it's going to consist of a randomly generated number and then a combination of the first name and second name. So for this I'm going to just select text, and then for the field size right here at the bottom I'm going to put 6. Now if you want to, you can put a validation rule, but it's not needed really. So for the validation rule I'm just going to put is not null. That means that the student ID has to be entered, otherwise it won't allow you to proceed. So the next thing, for the first name, I'm going to have text, and the field size, I'm just going to change to 20. The second name, I'm going to have the field size as 30, and I'm going to leave it like that. For the date of birth, however, the data type is not going to be text. We're going to change it to date and time. And the format, we're just going to select a short date. So once you've done that, you want to right click on the table at the top and click Save. Give it a name of TBL_students and press OK. There is no primary key defined. Just hit yes on that. We don't need primary keys just yet. You can close that. Now we're going to create another table, as this exam for Edexcel has 4 tables in my opinion. So again we're going to go to Create, Table Design, and this time we're going to go do a table exercise. So for this we're going to go exercise ID and then a description. Now again, the data type for the exercise ID, I'm just going to put field size of I'm going to go with 6 again, because I'm not sure how I'm going to lay out the exercise ID just yet. And the validation rule again, I'm just going to go is not null. Then for the description, I'm going to put text again, and the field size I'm just going to put 20, because the description will just be is the exercise push-ups, pull-ups, squats, etc. Right click on the table 1 at the top again and hit Save and give it a name of TBL_exercise and press OK. Hit yes again and close the table. Now for the third time, go to Create, Table Design. Now this table is going to be a testing table. So again we're going to have a test ID and a test date. Now the reason we're having an ID for each table is so we can assign it a primary key, so that we can use it in the relationships and in the fourth table, which is the table results. So again, for the test ID, just give it a field size of 6 again, and for the validation rule I'm going to put is not null. And then for the test date, I'm going to choose the data type of date and time, and the format short date. Right click again on table 1 and hit Save and give it a name of TBL_test and press OK. Hit yes and close that. Now for the final time you want to hit Create, Table Design, and now this table is going to be the table results. So we're going to have the student ID, the exercise ID, and then a test ID. Now these are all going to be foreign keys in this table, as they will just display the exact same data that are in the previous tables that we created. But for the fourth field name, we're going to put a amount, because it's like the tests for this exam paper are just like the amount of reps someone can do in a minute, or the timing, like how long they can hold a plank for example. So I'm just going to put amount, and I'm going to leave it as text, and I'm going to put the field size to about just 10. Yeah, that's alright, because well, no one's going to hold a plank for longer than like 10 characters long. And make sure for the field names, again, you put the field size as the same as you did previously, so 6, the exercise ID as 6, and the test ID as 6. Right click again, hit save, name it as TBL underscore results, and press OK. Hit yes. Okay, so thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.